This is an egg. Of course, you knew that because there's nothing quite like the egg. And you'd probably recognize it no matter how you crack it or cook it. So, what has to happen to make sure this power food ends up here, and here, and here? A lot, actually. So let's hit rewind and go back 48 hours to where it all begins, in the hen house. Egg production starts with healthy and well-cared-for hens, and that happens in conventional barns with regular or enriched cages, as well as in cage-free barns and sometimes outdoors. A barn environment where hens have constant access to food and water, adjustable light at day and night, clean fresh air and sanitary conditions all contribute to a hen's well-being and egg production. As hens produce eggs, those freshly laid eggs usually are automatically collected and begin their journey in the processing side of the farm. Here is where all the eggs from adjacent barns at the farm meet up. First, they get washed and sanitized to remove all dirt and debris. They are measured for size and sometimes are USDA graded, and then sorted accordingly. It is here that all eggs undergo a process called candling, which allows the egg farmer to look inside the egg without cracking it, to ensure egg quality. On some farms, an on-site licensed grader with the United States Department of Agriculture also will spot check eggs to confirm the accuracy of egg grading and the overall quality of the eggs being produced. From here, it's on to packaging. Eggs are loaded into cartons. Cartons are loaded into boxes, and boxes become huge pallets of eggs that are shrink-wrapped and refrigerated until they are loaded onto a semi and shipped to restaurants, businesses with food service, and grocery stores. That's the quick overview of egg production. There's so much more that you don't see here that needs to happen to raise hens and produce an egg, and so many people who work hard to make sure you can enjoy nutritious eggs. So let's take a closer look at barns, including the different housing styles and how farmers keep hens and farm workers safe from disease. At hens, including the various types of birds, the care and feed they receive, and egg production. At eggs, where we'll learn more about processing, egg safety, and nutrition. At environmental management, and what egg farmers do to protect local water sources, land and soil, and air quality by managing the manure. And finally, we'll hear from experts, both on and off the farm, who'll answer important questions about eggs and all that needs to happen to produce them responsibly.